Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Unang-una, hindi ko palalagpasin na hindi sagutin ang mga malisyoso, tahasang kasinungalingan at walang basehang mga akusasyon sa akin ni Bryce Hernandez. Hindi ako papayag na makaladkad ang aking pangalan sa mga pahayag na katang-isip at gawa-gawang salaysay. I have participated diligently and consistently the Senate investigation because, like everyone, I want the truth to come out and weed out corruption in the government. And I am confident that I have not committed any illegal act. If Mr. Hernandez truly stands by his allegations, I challenge him right now to take a lie detector test with me. Let us settle this once and for all and show the public who is telling the truth. Yun lang.
Sir, hindi nakita niya intention, ba't kayo nakasana gano'n ni Hernandez?
I really do not know what his evil intentions are. Siguro he wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt at pinakulong sa Senado.
Sir, it's not true na nagpa-allocate kayo na about 335 million?
Yung sa 330, kano raw? 335 million, lahat siya nasa GAA. Everybody can choose any item from the GAA at ibintang kahit kanino senador.
So wala kayong ganung pina-allocate?
Isang malaking kasinungalingan ng mga pinagsasabi niya patungkol sa pagbabako ng mga proyekto.
Sir, what do you make of it, yung paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi na hindi kasi? Parang alluding to kahapon sa nangyayaring biruan yun.
Well, yung biruan lang ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin. Well, nung sinabi niyang safe ka, alam ko naman biro niya, pero in the eyes of the public, parang it was uncalled for. That's why I resented his statement.
But sa House kayo, paulit-ulit sinasabi ni Bryce na hindi...
Well, siguro kinuha lang niya yung kahapon yung pagbiro ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin.
Sir, kanina, napanood niyo yung...
A little bit.
Anong unang alam niyo, sir? Parang napamura kayo or what?
Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling nitong taong to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Will you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from that hearing, from this hearing.